Hey everyone, welcome back to Garage of Projects for episode 22. Today we're going to do a video on the engine performance and fuel mileage. So we're just under a quarter tank. We've got 247 miles on the tank so far. And so we're gonna go fill up and then calculate our fuel mileage. And then we'll do some 0 to 60 accelerations and see how many seconds it takes to do that. So let's go. Okay, so we're here at the station and we have 252 miles on this tank. So we'll calculate here in a little bit what our fuel mileage is. Okay, so we got filled up. It took 16 gallons exactly. And so it came out to 15.75 miles per gallon. And so 170 miles on that tank had been driving out to the coast. So it was a lot of highway driving, and then about 80 miles of it was in town, short trips, driving, back and forth to work kind of a thing. So I think it's a pretty good, average fuel economy estimation. So anyway, a little bit less than I'd like, but we'll have to get like a full tank of highway driving and see what, how close to like 20 miles a gallon we can get. That would be kind of my goal, is to try and get 20 miles per gallon on the highway. But anyway, so that's what we have for fuel economy. Well, it didn't work out yesterday to do the 0 to 60 accelerations, so I'm gonna do that this morning and see how that works out. So I'm out here on a long straight flat road, and we'll give this a try. All right, one more. Okay, well that was pretty decent runs. I watched the videos back and counted the seconds. So the first run was 11 seconds. And the second run was 10 seconds. So I don't know, I'm not able to see if there's like fractions of a second in there or whatever, but it's roughly 10 to 11 seconds to get from 0 to 60. So that's with just, it's not just a stock build. There's a few modifications I made to the engine. I never drove it when I first got it to know if it even feels faster than, what it was before. I'm pretty sure that it is, but that's one thing that I didn't think about at the time when I started this project, because I was just like, oh, I'm just doing a, tune-up and fixing some oil leaks and then, doing the heater core was kind of all that was on my radar at first. So I didn't think to go out and drive it and really feel how it drove beforehand. So, I got partway into, fixing the oil pan leak is when I pulled that main cap to do the rear main seal and saw the wiped out bearings, and then it just, the whole project changed in scope. So, it feels like it gets up and goes pretty good for a straight 6, and it's got, I put a different cam in it. If you guys watched my previous videos, then you know what modifications I made, but it's bored 30 over, has a comp cam, it's like an RV cam in it, and then I decked the block. A total of about 40 thousandths. When it went in the first time to the machine shop, they took either 6 or 8 thousandths off the block, and then after we measured the how high the piston sat in the bore, it was down 32 thousandths in the bore, so we took another 32 off the second time I went into the machine shop. So that just really gives you a better quench and a better, more efficient burn in the combustion chamber. So there's a little bit difference there. The head is ported, just mildly, so there's a little bit of modification there, but really not a lot more than, there's not a lot of changes over a stock engine. So I don't know how much different it is from if someone had a stock, vehicle like this where it's still on stock tires and, stock gears and everything, if it would be, all that much faster. So who knows? But does good, sounded good, fast enough for what I need to do. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and stick around, and we've got more videos coming. We'll see you next time.